Welcome to Dirty Welds, Done Dirt Cheap. Is this a welding channel? No, it's not. I just like the name, sounds good. Maybe it will be one day. But what I'm doing here, I was talking to a guy and he was having problems with positioning himself to do welds. So, you know, he was kind of floating in midair and not getting a good angle and all that. And I said, well, let me give you a tip. And I tried to show him, and instantly he was like 10 times better. So I just decided I'd do a video and pass this on. Oh, you know, we've got oxygen acetylene, we've got the big Ideal Art, the little Buzzbox, we've got the MIG, we got a few different things we can do, but this guy was having problems with his stick welding, so that's what we're going to focus on. Going to run some Excalibur 7018 H4R, and we're going to stick it on about 105 amps DC plus, and this plate's got a few little TIG welds and stuff on it, but we're just going to blow right over them. What I want to show you is this technique to brace yourself, because it makes everything a lot easier. Go to Dollar General, get you one of these. It's a buck. It's a little knee guard. Cheap little $1 knee guard. What it does is, that hardness right there and the padding, it gives you a soft place to put your elbow, so that your elbow doesn't hurt while you're pressing down on it. This is a fresh 7018. It's not been used, so we're going to just start off here, and I'll show you the technique I like to use. Put your elbow down on this nice soft pad, and then get your proper position, and this should be very easy to control your torch angle and your depth as it goes along. So I'll just show you how much easier it is to use one of these nice soft elbow pads to prop yourself. Half of this I ran with a little bit more arc length, and the last very part of it I went ahead and tightened it up, because if we're going to do a video we might as well do one that's educational, right? So here's our little 7018 bead. This side has a long arc length, this side has a tight arc length. You should never have any problems scraping off your slag. If it's falling off easy, you're doing it right. You got the right setting. That was almost peeled, but not quite. It didn't lift up, but it sure is loose. So we'll take a look at this and we'll shake it off. Okay, so you can see on the left side I had a longer arc length, but I was coming back a lot quicker. Right here, my arc length was about like this. That's the most arc you should ever run with a 7018. And then down here, I tightened it up and I got a lot closer, but instead of going back and forth closer, I changed it to get a little more width between my whips, and you can see the difference in tight whips and loose whips. Now as far as the arc length goes, I don't know if you can see it, but this side is higher, this side is lower. I deposited more metal here and it's more built up, it's taller down the middle, because the arc length was further away. That's going to change how hot it goes in, so it's going to build up more. And then here, when I got tighter, it laid down better and got in there better. So watch your arc length. And as you can see, it don't matter whether you whip far or you whip close. It's all going to melt in as long as your arc length is good. And that's the main thing about when you're doing this, is to watch your arc length, or you'll get a weld that's built up more and don't lay in as well. I'm going to do another one real quick as another example. Can you see this? Look how awesome that is. You can put your elbow down, no fatigue, it don't hurt. I've got tennis elbow this week because I've been lifting too much heavy crap and it hurts, and that didn't hurt at all. So what I'm going to do this time, I'm just going to go real tight and I'm going to stay right on that plate. That time I stayed right in the middle, real tight. We'll see what it looks like. We've got some cracking on the slag. Looks like it wanted to peel, but it didn't, so it should come off real easy. Can't hold it still, sorry. So we stayed real close, we stayed real tight that time. If I can get some of the other welds cleaned off so we can compare them. And you can see, by staying real close and real tight, it laid in there real nice. Nice and even. Everything went in nice. So make sure you're holding a tight arc when you're running at 70/18. As you can see the difference in those two welds. The point of this post and this video is about this. That little dude right there for $1 will save your elbows, give you excellent position when you're welding. You'll be straight up and down. You'll be right on the weld where you're supposed to be. And when you get your elbow there, you got your stinger in place. You can just go right across while you're going down, burning that rod away. Good control. It don't hurt to do it. Your elbow will stay nice and soft on there, and you'll get better welds. So hopefully that'll help you out.